Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This is Sam. Okay, today it's a really um normal day. Okay, it's actually bad for some crypto. Ethereum is down by 1% and some other guys, right? But I want to talk about something really different today. When I started cryptocurrency, when I started learning about cryptocurrency, one of the first persons I met to teach me about cryptocurrency actually told me that you know a good cryptocurrency by checking how much has been invested into that cryptocurrency. I took that advice and I thought, hey, that's good. I was like, okay, if someone can invest 4 billion, if different people rather, if the market capitalization of a coin can get to $4 billion or $500,000 and above, that means people believe in it. So I actually took that mindset, I actually took that and I was investing into cryptocurrency. Any cryptocurrency that is above $500,000 or $1 million, I invest. But as I kept studying, this was I think last year or per year that I got the advice. But as I kept studying and researching about cryptocurrency, I got to know that hey, that's not really the way to go into cryptocurrency and to make money with cryptocurrency. All right, so you don't just invest uh, into a cryptocurrency because everyone is talking about it or it has a good market capitalization or is among the top 10 cryptocurrency. The fact that a coin is up here doesn't mean that that coin or that cryptocurrency has a good future, or has a great future or could be something big tomorrow. It's not a proof that that it will be big. I'll give you a very good example. A very popular example. You know what I would say? That's Bitcoin. Right. So Bitcoin was, I think it was among the top currency, sometime last year, right? And right now, Bitcoin is ranked at 1,000 plus on CoinMarketCap, but it was among the top 10, right? So let's see the all-time the market cap to $2 billion. That's $6 billion. See, so you don't just say because the okay let's go to CoinMarketCap and see which coin is around 2 point something $billion right now. Almost the same market capitalization with Cardano right now. But what's the current situation of BitConnect? As you can see, 24-hour volume. The project has failed. In fact, I don't think it was a project, but it was a Ponzi, right? In case you didn't know about BitConnect, it was one of the most successful Ponzi out there that did well. Rather, it's now all gone. Right, so you don't just invest into cryptocurrency because a group of persons. There were so many people that were talking about BitConnect, so many videos on YouTube. I also made a post about it because then I had just little knowledge about BitConnect. But you see, knowledge is progressive. That's why it's good to learn, keep learning. Don't just invest into a cryptocurrency because someone said that cryptocurrency is nice. If someone should tell you about a particular cryptocurrency, just go ahead, um, click the name of the coin, or okay, click the name, go to their website and read about that coin. Get to know what the coin is used for. The team behind the coin, the team behind the project. This is where the website is. So you don't just look at the market cap and look at the volume alone and circulating supply and be like, hey, circulating supply is very small, maybe 1 million, and then the market cap maybe it could be big or could be small, and then you now invest because Mr. XYZ is talking about the coin. No, it's not a good reason to a coin. Make sure you go to the website, right? Download the website, read everything about the coin. Other projects that is doing something similar to that particular project and spread your money wisely, right? So I thought I should share this video today because someone asked me the same question. He was like, hey, he was told that you invest into cryptocurrencies that have good market capitalization. That's not a good sign. All right, it's not a good sign. So you have to click the website, go and read about, do your own research, DYOR, right? So that's that. If you have any questions, you can drop in the link below. And also, I'm going to be doing a special giveaway today, right? Some of you, if you've been checking my videos, you'll notice I love making videos about EOS. Any dApp that is video on EOS, I like talking about them. EOS is actually pretty new right now. So if you watch this video and you have an EOS account, I'm going to be giving one EOS to one random today. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, all right, and follow me on Twitter and retweet. Okay, don't worry about retweeting. Just follow me on Twitter and okay, sure, I'll drop a link to this video. Then you can retweet the video and drop your EOS username in the comments. Just tweet, just comment your EOS username on the tweet, and then one random user will be picked. All right, so make sure you do your research and invest wisely. All right, thanks for watching.